So before we create subscription plans, make sure you enter your payment settings and for the Paystack. So you'll need to enter your public key, Paystack public key, Paystack secret key, and set your webhook URI. So here, as you can see, I'm using basically test credential. These are all test credentials, so they're not valid anyways. Um, so there's no need to hide them, at least for me. Um, so as you can see, I entered my public key and secret key, and then on the Paystack webhook URI, you'll need to enter your domain name, and this link must exist on your Paystack account as well. Now, base URI doesn't change for Paystack. For example, in PayPal, they have sandbox URI and the live URI, basically production URI. In Paystack, they refer mainly to the webhook URI and your keys. Your keys will define whether it's a text key or live key. Now, to get them, you'll go to your Paystack account under your profile settings, and you can see here is basically the keys. Now this is just random for testing URI it was, but here you'll need to put your webhook URI, basically this one. Just copy it here. Supposed to go here. So this implies the callback URI upon success. That's it. And you don't forget to change this domain name to your domain name where the script will be hosted. So the actual domain name where you'll install your script. And that's it. So next we can go and start our plans, subscription plans. But before this, let's go back to the Cloud Poly and actually create subscription plans. So under Finance Management, go to Subscription Plans and create your first plan. So you can give a name for your plan. Let's say it's I don't know, entry. Now the price. So the currency in this case it's with ZARs, which are South African rands. And if I don't remember exact currency to US dollars, but let's just put 100 to 100 just for testing purposes. And South African rands should be somewhere here. Yep. Now currently you can create payment plans on subscription plans only for 1 month, but with future updates we will create on a yearly basis as well. It also has subscription. You can also create prepaid plans so people can buy prepaid packages without any kind of plan IDs, etc. That's basically they can buy credits on an ad hoc basis, the text-to-speech credits, which are basically characters. Now here we'll be creating the Paystack plan ID. So that's where you'll put your plan IDs that you'll create on your Paystack account. And you're basically selling text characters. So with this package, so for example, for 200 ZARs, people can buy, let's say, 50,000 characters to convert these characters to synthesize these characters to a voice, basically. You can add additional bonus characters if you want. That's up to you. And some provide some meaningful headings, such as marketing information that will be visible on the prices that you will see on the front page and on the subscription page as well. So just for the simplicity's sake, let's just put option 1, option 2. Now all of them have to be comma separated. Now I will not click create yet because I'll need to include a Paystack plan ID. So here on your, let's go back to your Paystack account. So that's your Paystack account. Again, I'm in the test mode, so make sure that you're using your live production mode. So go to your plan. Let's create a thing. I named my package as an entry. You can put that whatever the description you want. This description is mainly for you. I believe I put 200. Now interval is charged on a monthly basis. You don't want to set any kind of max number of payments. This is basically means after whatever the payment, it will just max out and the end user will not be charged. You don't want obviously to do that. And that's it. Click create. So here we have created our plan entry plan. Now this is the plan ID, plan code basically that you'll need. If you go back to Cloud Poly, I think I didn't copy it properly. So you paste it in the Paystack plan ID, and don't forget about the currency. So here, since my currency is 200 ZARs, you want to put this. You can create additional plans with different currencies and for different payment gateways if you want. Let's click create. Okay, now we have our plan. And there's one important thing to mention under finance management and payment settings. When you'll be entering your Paystack information, make sure you actually enable use Paystack subscription and use Paystack prepaid if you have prepaid plans, of course. Otherwise, and then click save here down below. Otherwise, people will not be able to see these payment gateways. That's it. Now let's go and subscribe to the plan that we created. So this is the plan that we created. And the reason why you see here dollars and not the currency sign of the ZARs is because under global in general settings, if you go to the invoice settings, if I remember correctly, yeah, the currency here is not, oh, sorry, not here, apologies. It is under finance management, payment settings. So you can see the currency is not, you have to change the currency here so that it will be changed everywhere. Let's actually go ahead and do this for the demo perspective. So we are looking at South African rands. Okay, just click save. So now upon checkout, people will see the current proper sign. So let's go ahead and make our first payment. So the way Paystack works is basically you'll need to enter your email address of your Paystack account. And let's go. No, as a buyer, I mean. And this is since it's I have test API keys. Basically, it immediately gives you options. So since it's went successful, assume you pay with your ZARs and pay successful. Now it will redirect back to the uh, page again, and it will see the initial 550,000 credits that we added is included into the user account, including 20,000 demo credits as well. Now if I go to my subscriptions, as you can see, I have a valid Paystack subscription now. Paid by Paystack, this is my subscription ID, and you can verify the subscription ID under your Paystack account. If you go to your plans that you created, which was entry, as you can see, we have one subscription. And I should be able to show us who is who. So this is the one sub K72H. Yep, K72H. So as you can see, we subscribe to this plan, and on a monthly basis, it basically end user will be charged, and appropriate credits of this package will be added. Now, credits are defined on your plan basically, and don't forget you can always edit your plan on the subscription plan, so you can increase this value or decrease value as you need. And that's it. So as you can see, it's very easy to set up Paystack with this script. On the next video, we will show you how to configure Razorpay, which is an Indian payment gateway, one of the popular ones. Thanks.